In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit custom HubSpot quote templates. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to customize your quotes for the first time, I'll walk you through the process step by step. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to tailor your quote templates to better suit your business needs, making your offerings not only look professional but also aligned with your brand. First things first, let's start by going to the HubSpot website. It's the gateway to all the tools and software your business might need. Open up your browser and type in www.hubspot.com to get to their homepage. Once you're there, the next thing you need to do is log into your HubSpot account. You can do this by clicking on the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. And of course, if you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your credentials. Upon logging in, you'll find yourself at the HubSpot home. From here, try to locate the commerce section. It might be part of the main menu or listed under another heading in your dashboard. This section is where you'll find all the commerce related tools within HubSpot. Click on it to proceed. Within the commerce section, the next step is to find the quotes option. This is crucial as all the quote related templates and actions are nestled here. Click on quotes as this will take you to the area where you can manage and customize your quotes. As you access the quotes section, you'll see a list of your quotes. Each of these can be customized to suit your needs. Look for the actions button. It's usually located near the quote options on your screen, offering a drop-down list of actions you can perform. Click on it to move forward. Once the drop-down menu appears after you click on actions, the next step would be to select the edit option. Clicking edit will open the customization interface, allowing you to modify your templates to align with your desired format and style. This might involve adding or removing sections, updating text, or even adjusting the overall design to better reflect your brand identity. With these edits, you ensure that your quotes are not just a transactional document but a piece of your brand story, speaking to your client in a way that's consistent and visually appealing. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the HubSpot interface to customize your quote templates. This not only elevates your brand's professionalism, but also enhances the client's experience with engaging, tailored documentation. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to make the most out of HubSpot's customization features, ensuring a seamless and bespoke quoting process for your clientele. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check back for more tips and tricks on making the most of your business tools.